Hey, car dealership owners, general managers, sales managers, and finance managers. Do you know how important your dealership's reputation is? Imagine this. They find the perfect car, but then they see those reviews. Suddenly, excitement turns to skepticism. Do they really want to visit a dealership with mixed reviews? They decide to check out another option, one with a higher price tag but a much better reputation at 4.8 stars. Now, let's look at another couple who find a dealership with glowing reviews. They're excited and ready to take a test drive. They love the car, but the payments seem daunting, especially with today's interest rates. Are they about to walk away? Wait, have you considered our weekly payment options? This could save you thousands and reduce your loan term. With just a small adjustment, they realize they can afford the car and even add a warranty for just $12 more a week. Look at that! They walked in skeptical but left with a smile. All thanks to flexible payment solutions. If you're not actively managing your dealership's reputation, you risk losing customers to competitors. And if you can't find the guts to invest a few bucks a month for our services, you deserve to keep watching your competitors drive away with your sales. Contact us now. Our results are guaranteed.